Hi guys, yesterday I went to the Statue of Liberty. So you buy your tickets either online or here at Castle Rock in Battery Park. There's a Statue of Liberty. And then you go through, there's this little ticket booth inside, and then you go through this space, and then you finally get onto the ship. And I found this guy that sells umbrella hats over there, and I was so happy. It's so cute. So this is me on the ferry. The first stop is Statue of Liberty. Then it goes to Ellis Island, and then it brings you back home to Battery Park. There's beautiful views of the city. It's wonderful to sit on top of the boat and just kind of like have the fresh air. And it was just so fun. There is Statue of Liberty. We are getting closer by the minute. So it was a gift from France, I think in 1866. It's made of bronze, which has oxidized, and that's why it's green. And they also have a museum on site where you can see the original torch that was used, which has been replaced. This is the back of her. This is like the views. You could walk around. It's so pretty. And this is like the side. You pretty much walk all around the statue and you can eat, you can like sit and take pictures, and it's just cute with the boat ride and everything on a nice day. Then we went to Ellis Island, and guess what? They have a spooky hospital tour, which I would love to do, but I didn't have enough time to do it. I got, my friend got a Beast Burger, which is like pretty much a double cheeseburger. And this is the inside. This is called like, I forgot what it was called, like I don't know, the arrival medical room. It's got like a, oh my God, sorry. It's got like a cool hospital vibe to it, which I kind of liked. It was like very Victorian, so it's very detail oriented. Even the bathrooms looked really cool. I just love all this old tile and stuff. This is the spooky hospital, which I want to come back and explore. They have tours for it. Then we got back to Battery Park, and they have this beautiful like merry-go-round with fish, which I wanted to try, but nobody wanted to try, so we left. But it looked so fun and beautiful, especially at night. Then I saw some butterflies in a bush. And then we went to Chinatown, and we went to the Chinatown ice cream factory, which I love. This was the inside of it. I took a video of all the flavors. My friend got taro and she got something else. And I got lychee and black sesame. So super cute place. They also have mochi, which is amazing and delicious, and I love it. So these were the other flavors from the other side. Super fun, like interesting stuff you wouldn't normally see. This is the backdrop. They have t-shirts, like different cones that you can get. And this is what my friend got. And then I got this thing. So you get a cup or a cone. So cute. And then I found this place that makes the bouncy cheesecakes that I saw on TikTok, which I really wanted to get, but they were sold out by the time we came back. So now I know where they are. Then we walked to Little Italy, which is like pretty much walking distance from Chinatown. It was the 96th annual Feast of San Gennaro, so that was really cool. Lots of food and things to do and just fun. There's a great pastry place here called Ferrara's, which we walked all the way to. It's like, look at this sausage pepper is so delicious. So this is a fun thing. They have amusement park rides. I'm not sure how long it's open. This is Ferrara's. Great pastry place. They have minis. They have regular size of stuff. I got a cheesecake and I got a chocolate cannoli from the outside vendor because I think there was a line inside. So I did that. And this is what it was like. So delicious. And I hope you guys had a great day. Thank you for watching.